In a previous episode, I made my Frankenstein orange drill. My favourite drills were this one and my Aldi Taurus drill. I'm looking for the lowest torque so I can control depth. Which driver can screw the least? Today we test which drill has the lowest torque setting. I want to find the drill which can be used for fine detailed driving. We start with the Aldi Taurus drill. This was always a favourite of mine until the batteries died. This has exceptionally low torque control. Next is an eBay cheapie Matrix brand. This is the actual drill that comes as a set with a driver. The 18 volt lithium ion batteries are pretty crap and always die off quickly. Now we have Frankenstein Firestorm. It's got some great features like a removable all metal chuck, direct driver attachment, super low torque control. And with modifications, it now uses Makita batteries. We may as well test the Matrix impact driver. This came as part of the set with the Matrix drill. Same look as the Matrix drill. Same crap batteries. It has a good driver attachment with no chuck. The torque control is terrible. See how far it drives that in? The less deeply the screw goes in, the better the control. Number 1 is Frankenstein Firestorm. Close number 2 is Aldi Taurus. Number 3 is the Matrix drill. The worst is the Matrix impact driver. In order of torque control from best to worst. Thanks for watching.